Okay, so it's all melted. I let it sit overnight. I'm going to clean up the water and then give it a good scrubbing. So I was gonna clean this one, and then I looked down and it doesn't look like it has the plug in it. So I don't think they use this one. So I'm gonna scratch on cleaning that one. Okay, so this one is done. I'm gonna plug it back in and turn it on and let it get cold. And then I'll get the meat from in here, back in here. While I'm waiting for this one to get cold, I figured I might as well get the refrigerator part cleaned out, and then later on I can focus on the freezer part once that gets cold and everything gets transferred. Okay, so it does have a little bit of spillage in it, but you know, when you use it as a summer refrigerator and you have family and guests and all that over, it's gonna have something. It looks actually pretty good, I think. Refrigerator is done, and I wiped the outside as well, and now it's just waiting for this deep freeze to get nice and cold, and I can move all of that back in there, and then I'll get this cleaned out. All right, so I've got everything out of this refrigerator freezer, and I'm just about ready to give that a good scrubbing. Okay, all nice and clean. Look on the inside, nice and clean. Oh, and yes, those packages look not the greatest, but they'll be okay. They will not be sticking to each other like they were before. And I just put all their other meats over here. This is all venison. So, and it's deer hunting season now, so let's see what he can get. And I'm going to remind him to make sure to put the new venison on the bottom and put all of this on top. I want to thank you folks for joining me during this venture of getting this cleaning done. It's not my house. We're taking care of the grandkids, and while they're in school, I've got to keep busy, so I chose to do this, and it helps them out as well. Again, I want to thank you folks for joining me. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.